You're here for the recipe? Tune in. No overnight, no oats, high protein bowl, EzLivingMD special. So no overnights. This takes less than 10 minutes. No oats because it still spikes my blood sugar. And most of the time they're contaminated with gluten anyway. So you just start off with some coconut milk yogurt. You can put some high protein powder in there. We use our special GI flamm-Ez that has a lot of anti-inflammatory and gut healing herbs. You just add some chia seeds. Layer that with some berries of choice. Make 2 to 3 layers. Add a quarter cup of dairy-free milk. And voila, you can put toppings of choice. I like the crunch, so I just add some quinoa puffs right on top. And you're all done. Use this as a post-workout fuel and enjoy. One love. Ashe.